Round Sound, original and unsound music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. This broke my heart as well. John Jenkins and The Sure Thing, they fell out of the top 20. I thought this was the point where John was going to go high up in our chart and he was going to stick with us for a bit, but no, he's fell out of the top 20. Guys, this can't be right. Sort it out. He's a top fella, John, and what a top musician he is. Give this a listen, guys. Give it a share. Come on. Do that. This is Heart and Soul, guys. John Jenkins and That's Your Thing.
I should be proud and keep it deep. Be in complete control, strive forward without fear. But since I met that girl, I just can't do nothing right. Wasting my hours away on endless sleepless nights. Won't somebody help me? That I found a girl for me. You may think it's rather strange that she's got me on my knees. But since I met that girl, I just can't do nothing right. Sleep through my morning calls and rendezvous at night. And I know what I should do.
What a tune by John Jenkins and The Sure Thing there. Do check his album out, guys. Honeymoon Hangover. Absolutely brilliant. He gets other action to collaborate with him on the album, so he has some of the best musicians throughout Liverpool all singing on his album and also playing instruments and things like that. Very clever stuff. Right, okay then. Next up, we have another act, obviously, who didn't make the top 20, which this is a crying shame. It's Billy Kelly with Gods and Monsters. Billy was in our live lounge on Sunday just gone. and we had a boss time, you know, we had a proper crack. It was so refreshing, because normally obviously I've got bands in here and of course we have a ball and that, but to speak to somebody who does exactly what I'm doing and understand the work behind what I do, you know, most people probably think I just rack up here and just get on here and just press play and turn the microphone on, start speaking, and that's it, everything's wonderful. But the reality of it is there's about 60 hours at least of graft behind this computer that goes on to make sure everything runs smoothly. And it was nice to talk to Billy, and you know, he understood exactly what I was talking about on that. Legend, absolute legend. I'm actually judging with him for Hunger Games tomorrow night, so I'm sure there'll be a few beverages out there. Guys, come on, get this back in the charts. You know, Billy, come on, wink wink, wink wink. This is Gods and Monsters, Billy Kelly.
I ain't got no God and no religion, but I'm pretty sure I know what's right from wrong. Ain't got no church, no congregation, but I definitely know what's right and wrong. Can you explain the situation of killing fields in the name of your gods, and you expect your own salvation and a place in paradise to cleanse your soul? If I was him, I'd send you packing to read whatever book you represent. Call me a man, a non-believer. I think the time has come for your repent. Gods and monsters, they're all the same to me, preaching forgiveness. All wrapped up in pain and misery. Gods and monsters, they're all the same to me. Can't you see? Can't you see? Ain't got no God and no religion, but I'm pretty sure I know what's right from wrong. Ain't got no church, no congregation, but I definitely know what's right from wrong. If I was him, I'd send you packing to read whatever book you represent. Call me a man, that non-believer, but I think the time has come for your repent. Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me, preaching forgiveness. All wrapped up in pain and misery. Gods and monsters, you're all the same to me. Can't you see? Can't you see? Gods and monsters,
See you later, Gov. Thanks for the last 12 years. Oh, hi there. My name's Ray Fakadakis. And the first thing I'm going to do now that I've been released from prison after 12 years for armed robbery for shooting my granddad in the face is sign up to the Eleanor Rose Foundation. It's a worthwhile cause. So do it today.
Yeah, old Billy out there, guys. Give it a listen, give it a share. Get him back in our top 20. He's actually got a new release getting entered into the top 20 either next week or the week after. I'm not too sure yet, but yeah. So we'll be back with us shortly. Another act that slipped out. He went from 6. He was in position 6 last week, and he's gone totally out the charts this week. It's Gary Gardner with Somebody's Watching Over Me. As I say, though, guys, if you want to be in the top 20 every week, you kind of have to keep on the button, you know what I mean? It gets reset now every single week, so it's not that easy. However, it's brilliant for new acts who are entering on the Sunday show because they really do have a good and genuine chance of aiming for the top 5, even number 1, if they're crafty enough, like. But in Terabang, oh, the Johns, there's a few people who know how to play the game here. This is Gary Gardner, Someone's Watching Over Me.
I know at times I'm lazy, but don't think that means maybe I'm not trying my best. My luck's run out, I'm tired. Oh, my chance